The top 3 of the best swimming pools you can get this year are finally here. Whether you're looking for easy setup, strong materials, or the perfect way to cool off this summer, these above-ground pools stand out for their features, quality, and value. In the third, the Outraveler above-ground swimming pool offers approximately 800 gallons of water capacity and promises an easy assembly process with no tools required, allowing installation in under 30 minutes and making it convenient to tear down and store after use. With rust-proof and anti-corrosion technology, this pool resists sun exposure and UV damage, ensuring long-term durability and color retention. Its wide size and strong structure provide enough space for several people to enjoy a refreshing swim together, while the high-strength materials and upgraded design make it a competitive option in its category. Customers appreciate the overall quality and generous size, noting its good value for money. However, some report mixed experiences with setup due to unclear instructions and, more concerningly, missing parts like support legs. Also, it's important to verify HOA rules, as not all housing areas allow private above-ground pools. In conclusion, the Outraveler pool stands out for its strong build, simple storage, and elegant appearance. But potential buyers should be prepared to check all parts upon delivery and be aware of local restrictions before installing it. Second, the Intex above-ground pool is ready for water in just 30 minutes, requiring no tools thanks to its innovative composite T-joint design and intuitive metal frame assembly. With a 1,185-gallon capacity and dual suction outlets, it ensures improved water circulation and clarity, while the included 330 gallons per hour filter pump uses hydro-aeration technology for even better filtration and water hygiene. The pool is constructed from super tough 3-ply PVC material that resists punctures and wear, and a patch is included for easy repairs if needed. Customers praise its easy setup, sturdy construction, and suitability for families with children. The pool's value is enhanced by the inclusion of a working pump and durable frame. However, some users experience issues with hose connections leaking, and a few report that the pump stops functioning properly after some use. In conclusion, the Intex pool delivers great durability, quick installation, and solid value with its pump and filtration system. But attention may be needed to ensure hose fittings are secure and pump longevity is maintained over time. And to finish, first of all, the Bestway Steel Pro Max above-ground pool is an ideal solution for families seeking a durable and stable alternative to inflatable pools, without the complexity or price of in-ground installations. Its corrosion-resistant steel frame features the FrameLink system for strong connections, while the DuraPlus liner combines lightweight PVC with reinforced strength and puncture resistance. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, taking around 45 minutes, and the pool includes a flow-controlled drain valve for easy emptying, plus a filter pump to keep the water clean. The ChemConnect dispenser simplifies water treatment by replacing traditional floating chemical cleaners. Customers generally find the material quality excellent and the assembly process hassle-free. However, reviews are mixed on the pool's long-term durability, with some users reporting structural damage or pump failure within 2 weeks. Leakage at hose connections is another recurring concern, and the pump size may not meet the needs of those expecting larger-scale filtration. In conclusion, the Bestway Steel Pro Max offers a well-rounded and practical above-ground pool option with user-friendly features and good build quality, though potential pump limitations and occasional durability issues should be considered before purchase. In summary, these top 3 above-ground pools combine easy setup, solid durability, and great value for families or anyone looking to enjoy summer at home. From the budget-friendly Outraveler to the feature-packed Intex and the sturdy, well-designed Bestway, each pool offers something unique to fit different needs and spaces. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.